So, since 2018, I have been using iPhones and was a big fan of Apple silicone cases. To be very honest, I never had the audacity to buy an official Apple silicone case. But this time, I made an irresponsible decision to buy the official silicone case for the iPhone 15. When it comes to Apple, it's all about perfection. If you have OCD issues, please go for the Apple official silicone case. The precise cutout, the awesome microfiber lining, the tempting MagSafe animation whenever you put the case is just awesome. This kind of experience can only be delivered by Apple. Silicone material used in this particular case is weirdly smooth and grippy. The common problem in silicone cases is that they attract a lot of lint and dust and also become sticky, very sticky to an extent where it can pull your pants down if you want to put inside your pocket. In short, they have a lot of pocket pulling power, but when it comes to Apple, there is no such issue. It attracts a tiny bit of dust, but it's completely manageable because I'm coming from the 300 rupees local silicone cases which are pathetic to use. I have used a ton of silicone cases from the local market since the last few years and I have settled down to one decision. Those are really bad. If you don't want to ruin the look and feel of your phone, please invest in a very good quality case. When it comes to good quality cases, this Apple silicone case is the best fit for an iPhone because it is directly manufactured by the company who is manufacturing the phones. Now let's come to the price. The price tag is around 4,900 rupees, which is obviously a very expensive thing when it comes to a mobile accessory. But I got them in a sale, about 50% discount. When it comes to the branded cases like ESR, Spigen, they already have the 2000 rupees price tag in and around. So I have just paid another 500 rupees and got the Apple silicone case. So it's buy one get one free. I have paid 5000 rupees and I got two. In the Indian YouTube scene, you will actually find very few people rocking the Apple official silicone cases. So I will be posting a long-term review after 5 to 6 months of regular use, and obviously we'll be digging deep inside this golden goose of silicone. To be very honest, the light color silicone cases may stain because I can see the winter blue case is actually getting a slight tint of yellow. I've been using the winter blue case for a week now, and to be very honest, I can notice a slight tint of yellow at the corners where my hands grip. So let's see in this Indian conditions how the silicone cases perform. So see you guys in the next video with upcoming informative content related to bike technologies and many more. Till then, take care, have fun and keep supporting.